name is greatest. Oh God. You don't want to. Can't tell them what to leave with sugar now. This is 9 9:33. Guys, slept late. Like I think they finished after 3, few minutes after 3. I mean the sound of revival. And they finished after 3. And I think I went to bed after 4. Somehow I woke up and I just woke up. I needed to still sleep on because I didn't sleep enough. I woke up around 8. I sent them to go and buy this pap and akara. Sure. It will probably help me to sleep afterwards. So the akara is not bad. So I just started picking me up now. Refill. I'll add in this Solandia. I just woke Chimamanda up right now. She attended the program with me. I slept. You slept halfway, and that was around the. They started by 10. None of those times they started. Chimamanda was awake watching. You get? I was watching with them, but I slept off around the line. Woke up around after 12. She was still awake. So we continued, and then she slept off after 1. Then I followed through until they finished. It was such a bless, like I was blessed through the service and everything. I enjoyed it. Me too. I enjoyed it. I took a lot of things last night to keep myself busy and awake. I took up I also took banana. Come closer. Don't take the table, please. I actually woke her up from sleep because I don't want this soup to get cold. Immediately they told me they are done making the pap. I typically wake up. I even woke up while doing my morning devotion. Like I slept off rather while doing my morning devotion. Yes. Like let's make parfait. This is I actually had a good rest after eating the pap and akara. Honestly, I did. So I slept for 2 hours plus, woke up, did some little stuff, and this I think 3 p.m. I don't know the time. I will check it and let you on. I think it should be 3 p.m. So I'm having yogurt parfait, so to say, as lunch. Me and my daughter. If you guys probably see me very fat after this holiday, just hold my husband responsible. How will you keep a grown woman at home just because of holidays? Anyways, and I agreed this thing though. We just wanted her to stay home, and you can't leave a child at home alone now. So one of the parents has to be there to teach and guide and other things. So yeah, I'm that parent that has to be there. So what we just do is sleep, do a little work or learn something, eat whatever we like and tell me why I won't get fat. And I'm so lazy to exercise. So that is it. She's snacking, I'm snacking with her. God have mercy on me. Hey, it's not easy. So that is it. Sit down there, Chimamanda. Sorry, bring the other of my phone for me. We need to know what the time says. Because we had our breakfast, I think 10 a.m. I don't like the taste of this particular yogurt. 370, bring my phone. Oh, that's after 3. That's good. So, our homemade what's it called? Granola, as always, we'll add it. And I like seeing nuts. So I like eating nuts. So, let me take my thumbnail. Your mom is a content creator.
I know.
So you just take thumbnails before eating because hey, wow, guys, I just sleep. Remove your hand from there. How will someone? This video will go viral. Yes. Let it go viral. My God, I would have said the taste of this yogurt, the taste wasn't so okay. This date is what, Lee?
16.
Guys, today's date is let's just chips. Today's date is 16th August. You see, today's date is 16th August, and this yogurt is expiring on 22 August. That's in the next in the next 1 week, 6 to 7 days time. We get so it's have stayed in probably where it was for like 3 weeks. For like 3 weeks. Oh my God, the taste. Even when I was speaking, I was saying that some of the yogurts are about going this, They're like, watching guys. So, anyway, 1 week. I won't let my money waste. It's around I think 4,000 or 10,000 something.
I want this video to go viral.
Because you did not tell me. So, the voice made anyway, Egusi soup. They made this Egusi soup by themselves. So I'm about to cook vegetable.
Let me rinse my face.
Rinse what face? What that one more? Normally I was supposed to add the oil, onions, and what again?
And pepper.
Yeah, and crayfish first.
Even cube.
Salt. Yes, but let me go by this method. This water leaf you're seeing, they cut it yesterday, last night. For some reason we could not cook it. Though they cooked some parts, their own parts. They cooked some parts. So let's cover it and let it bring out the water.
The greatest, your name is the highest, your name stands above the earth. Your name is the greatest, your name.
Greatest.
Great. Hi guys.
The boys are packing the soup. Let's check.
Guys.
Simmered, right?
Yeah.
So we'll add onions.
Yeah.
Oh, but the way I'm cooking this soup, anything, anyhow.
Now it's different.
We'll
Guys.
add in onions.
Onions. After onions,
we'll add the pepper. Get the seasoning cube. Get the seasoning cube. We are assisting in this soup. Immediately finishing our get to say I'm just telling no. Mommy, so you go and cook it for you. For your mind, like for her mind now. And back
when I was cooking vegetable. Yes.
Which day?
One day that my dad is cooking vegetable.
Okay. Huh? Then the start of me she display so that I'm shaking. Guys, this is not how to cook vegetable soup. Please don't bother whatever you see here. I'm just cooking this in out of tiredness. Just let me cover. Oh my God. Even so, the person that's supposed to cook is asking me now I'm cooking my own. Is that how you're cooking your own? I like that this totally does not have too much water in it because this my stock, eh? Wait. Okay. Can you see our second chef hand shuffling the thing? You put two seasoning cubes, please. Okay, we'll put the vegetable now. Pour oil. What am I even doing? Like, no.
Bring water, let me.
Pour oil. Pour water in vegetable. Yeah, get to this. Pour oil. Go for a catchment.
Two seasoning cube, you said.
But add that one. You might tell them salt by yourself. Let me see. Okay. Come and pour this meat inside it. Then we can now put this ugu.
I'm Chef Chimamanda.
Argument, girl, there.
Mommy, now my daddy's Egusi vegetable. I put water. My dad was one that put water in it. What?
Can you wait under this vegetable? I believe they already cook vegetable.
I was one that cooked the vegetable.
Okay, was that?
Yes.
Guys. You guys.
1, 2, 3.
I now have a chef that is chefing my chefing. You still add water and oil. No water. Now water, please. This is vegetable. So wait, it's coming down. Don't be the hurry chef. This is my chef now. But speak. See my this thing, my mic. Remove it. This is my chef. Now working speech. So we are going to add the ugu
and salt and oil. I don't think this thing to be very oily.
Please, my sister, you said you're eating vegetables. You're eating all egusi. During the month, you eat egusi.
Thank you. That's what I told you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm taking. You put this.
Don't mind with you. Don't fear. Fear, okay.
I'm not fearing you. God is with me. In all the Bible that I read, Psalm, Isaiah, Joshua.
Okay. Joshua what?
Wait, Psalm 27 verse 1 says, the Lord is my light and my salvation. I fear no one. The Lord protects me from all danger. I will not be afraid.
Correct. Joshua 1 again. Joshua 1:10. I mean Joshua 1 says what?
Joshua 9 says
1:9.
It's
still about fear.
Yes.
Fear not, for I am with you. I think it's something like that.
Yes.
The poor man.
Wait, I was not about to start.
I'm done. Wait, guys, this method seems to be
easy.
Seems to be good though. Like this is a lazy man work cooking vegetable, but yeah, it's still fast.
So by yourself, and you're cooking. You're putting oil, putting salt.
Please, once I'm done, you can pack this soup for me in the freezer.
Let me
when I
mix
come
it.
and help you and talk. Yeah, who? Chibobi. Come and help you and turn this. Where is that power?
Come and help your sister. Mangwe, mangwe. Mau. Mau is there, Akwima. Oh yeah, let me take my soup. Akwima.
Which one is it?
Here's my room.
Where is your soup?
Here's my soup. You say you don't want Egusi.
The soup is small.
Wait.
Yeah.
Cake, wait. Hello. Brother, hey. Brother Henry, Rachibike. Grandma Vados.